This is the class of BBA 5th semester. Subject is presentation skills and your subject code is BBA 505. In this class we are going to study about, I'm going to teach you the topic that is presentation notes and session plans. So what is presentation note and session plan? So presentation notes are an important piece of equipment for the presentation. They are simply the roadmap for the presenters to be followed for making a presentation. Presentation notes can be prepared in the form of PowerPoint, notes, index card and sheets of paper. So when you guys are going to prepare a presentation, you should have to make some notes. So we are going to study what type of these notes are. So how to use presentation notes? When using presentation notes, you should you should know some points that can make your presentation notes effective. Number one, never write in full sentences, simply write key phrases or headline. The point of note is to push your memory so you can recall the topic what you are going to talk about. Number two, make sure your notes are easy to read, which means writing large enough. Your notes will be readable so that you can easily understand them. Number three, give a number to each card, because if cards are dropped during presentation, the order can quickly be re-established. If you people gave numbering to your notes, they can be easily recalled or they can easily re-established. Number four, use lined or unlined note cards rather than lined paper, because paper bring attention to the shaking hands during presentation. If you are nervous, if you guys are nervous, these will helpful you in presentation. So this is the points we can understand how we prepare notes, how to use presentation notes. When we are trying to establish these notes, what type of errors or what type of things we should be understand. So next is, should we use notes in presentation? So yes, it is okay to use notes, because notes can help you to make your presentation in an effective manner. So important question of how to use them. We should use notes in the following manner. Number one, there are exceptions, but for the most part we should not read notes word for word. This will give impression that we are not sure of our material, or audience will raise question about our expert status. Number two, we should use keywords only, or key sentences, or even graphics, or some combination of those. Number three, we should not try to make a secret of using notes. Next, we will going to study, the topic is, should we memorize a presentation? So memorizing a presentation is simply not an option for the vast majority. For most people it is sure recipe for disaster. For one thing, it is just about impossible to remember everything, which all but guarantee that you will come a blank at some point that will leave you standing there without a lifeline. What is more, even if you can memorize an entire presentation, and that is big if your delivery is likely to come off as stilled, it will be lacking in conviction and emotion, to the other important ingredient of a successful presentation. So your presentation should be memorized, so people can recall and remember that this person, this boy and this girl made a presentation in a very effective manner. Next we are going to study is what is session plan. You all guys had heard about what is session plan. So session plan may be defined as a set of presentation notes in logical order for the presenter to follow to ensure that the objectives set for presentations are achieved. A session plan includes other relevant information such as presentation aids, requires reference and identify problem areas. A session plan should be used for each session, because each has its own objectives and therefore require separate planning. So session plans are useful tool for speaker in any field. If you guys will make a session plan, you can easily be remembered your data in a logical manner, because logical manner data will make your presentation more important and more attractive. So what is the importance of session plan? Importance of session plan: a session plan shows us a starting point, a finishing point, and all the stages we need to pass during the session of the presentation. So session plan is important on account of the following. Why session plan is important? Why we people are tell you guys that how to make a session plan. So number one, the session plan ensure that the presenter is heading towards the aim or objective of the presentation. Make sure you people are going to identify, or you people are going to talk about your main objective of the presentation. You should not be confused about your session plan. Number two, the session plan also enables the presenter to check in advance that the sequencing of presentation is correct. Session plan will make sure that all your data or all your question or all your sequencing in that has been done in proper manner or not. Number three, the session plan is also checklist of the resource required for the presentation. So we can say that session plan work as a checklist. Next, a session plan as well as giving the presenter a logical list of information to be covered in a presentation and its appropriate sequence. It allowed the presenter to indicate the timing for the presentation. Number 5, a session plan also allow another presenter to conduct the same presentation effectively as all relevant information is clearly set out. Number 6, present session plan will design also allow the presenter to revise the material again before the presentation. If you guys are going to give a presentation and you have had prepared session plan, so it's easy for you guys to cross check your material, cross check your sequence, and you can easily be able to be remember what you are going to speak in that presentation. Next, we are going to study how to create session plan, how you guys will make a session plan so that your presentation will go on in accurate time, accurate form. Number 1, timing. This column of timing indicate the running time of the session. It allows the presenter to base activity throughout the session and finish on time. Before creating a session plan, you should know what time duration you have given by your audience. So you should have to finish or start on time. Next, content. This column indicates the list of all the things that have to be covered during the session. So content column indicates what you are going to cover in this session. Number 3, presentation techniques. This column indicates whether the particular section of the session is to be of a lecture type show or tell, or perhaps participant discovery. So what are the techniques you are going to use? You can easily identify with the help of session plan. Number 4, audience activity. The audience activity is a new concept for training situation. If the presenter list the type of things that the participant will be doing during the session, it possibly become possible to build in a variety in advance. So audience activity will improve your session plan more effective, will make your presentation more understandable. Number 5, presentation aids. So what is presentation aids? The presentation aids is required is the column for the presenter to note when presentation aids are required. Number 6, method of presentation. Technique to be adopted for presentation. What type of technique you guys will going to adopt for this presentation? Number 7, content of the presentation. A specific list of contents should be checked out by the presentation based on the need analysis. What are your content of the presentation? Number 8, new terms. This must be prepared clearly defined way. What type of term we should going to use. Number 9, key question to be asked. List the key question that may be asked by the audience during the presentation. Number 10, resources required during the presentation must be decided in advance. What type of resources you guys will require during these presentation. Next, timing for the presentation, total timing from starting point to finishing point, that should be covered in your session plan, so that your session plan will going to complete, or session plan will going on an effective manner. So guys, we can understand how we create a session plan, what are the importance of session plans, and what are the presentation notes. So in this class we have covered the topic presentation notes and session plan. Hope you guys enjoyed the class.